Alright guys, this is Craig with Squappy's Videos. We're going to go ahead and do a firmware update on this little guy. I'm going to go ahead and update the Tello. Alright guys, so of course this is the DJI Ryze Tello, or just Ryze Tello. Depends on who you talk to be perfectly honest. That's always what I experience with it. But that's what we're looking at here. As you do see, it does say Tello down here. But I did recently just get this, and what I noticed is that I did get prompted for a firmware update, as well as some other app updates for it. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is we're going to pop a battery into it, power it on, get my phone here. So I have a Pixel 3 XL over here. Connected to it, and we're going to go ahead and try performing a firmware update. Not going to be too exciting of a video, to be perfectly honest, but if you are curious on doing firmware update, definitely go ahead and stick around. We're going to go ahead and get this done. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording my screen here. So we're going to go ahead and hit the little side button that's right here, waiting until you do see the lights start flashing. Alright, and they are flashing. Looks like red, yellow, and green like normal. So then on my phone, I'm going to go ahead and go into settings and Wi-Fi. We're going to go ahead and select the Tello there. I'm going to go ahead and scroll through and open my Tello app. As you see, it's fast blinking yellow now on the Tello. It is telling me that it is connected to Wi-Fi. Sadly, I'm not getting the pop-up that I normally get on the Tello here. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and tap on the settings icon and go to more. Go ahead, tap on the three-dot menu that's on the left-hand side here. And we are going to tap on firmware version. And if you see, there's an option for update. So we're going to go ahead and tap update. Gives you the little update firmware option that is here, the cloud facing down, and we're going to go ahead and just tap update and connect to a network to download the firmware and then reconnect to the aircraft. Okay, so I've got to go ahead and do that. So I've got to switch back to my normal Wi-Fi network, which obviously is Squappy Link. So we're going to go ahead and wait for that to pop back up. Reconnect to that. I'm going to go back to the Tello app. And we're going to hit update. Look at that. That was quick. Alright, so we're going to go ahead. Got that downloaded. Go ahead and switch back to the Tello here. Switch back. Now we're going to hit update. So now this whole process does just take about a minute or so to update, but it is pushing through the update right now. As you see while I'm talking, we're already at 54%, 55% here. It's all in real time. Sorry it's taking so long, guys. It is pretty quick overall though. I have enjoyed flying the Tello lately. It's quite a little fun drone overall. Hoping I'll soon get the GameSir controller that they have for it, so then I can just actually use it with the controller instead of having to use the touchscreen. As you see, I got plenty of fingerprints all over my screen. Alright, does say update successfully. Please connect the Tello. Well, the Tello should already be connected. So, looks like it is flashing. Like it might be ready to go, so we're gonna go here, see if there is the option for the Tello, which I'm not seeing it. There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on that Tello. Go ahead and go back. Make sure it does actually read that it is connected. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh. Alright, looks like there is another firmware update. Oh, no, we're on the latest firmware. Okay. So it does say to restart the Tello after it was done. So we're going to go ahead and restart the Tello. Of course, nothing actually said anything about that beforehand, so. Okay, it is just blinking green. I don't know why it didn't restart. Alright, so let's do that. We're going to go ahead and power it back on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to reconnect back to the Wi-Fi network again. So I'm going to just press and hold on the Wi-Fi there, wait for it to pop up here. Alright, tap on the Tello again. And we're going to go ahead and make sure it is connected. Alright, and I'm going to just, actually going to go ahead and just tell it to do a quick throw and go, just so I can actually hear it spin up. Yeah, and there you go. As you see, the props are still spinning up, but I'm not going to take off because I am just here inside my my office here. So, the camera's working fine. Looks like it actually may even be a little synced up too, which is good. Yeah, so there we go. That was a firmware update for the Ryze Tello. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do ask if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to go ahead and hear what you guys have to say overall. And please make sure you do subscribe, hit the bell icon if you haven't already, so that way you get notifications for the channels. And if you do find any interest in buying a Tello, they are available on Amazon. I do have affiliate links in the description down below. But once again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.